Overripe bananas have a ton of recipes that you could use them in. Hi, family, and welcome back to Nancy's Cuisine. Hope you all are doing amazing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much. And if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit on that subscribe button. So today, we're going to be doing this delicious Accra. Oh my God. Let's get right into the recipe. So fam, the first thing we're going to do is to peel, wash and grate our cassava. I have cassava paste from about 5 medium cassavas. So what I'm going to do right now, because it has a little bit of water and you want your cassava dry. So I'm going to put it on the kitchen cloth, just a little amount at a time, and then squeeze out the water. So fam, the next thing we're going to do after squeezing the cassava is actually to scatter it into fine particles. So what you're going to do is just put it in between your palms and rub it gently. This is about 8 cups of cassava, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to be using 4 cups. The next thing we're going to do is to crush 6 overripe bananas. You could blend them if you want, whatever works for you. In order to blend your cassava and your banana, divide your 4 cups into 2 and pour half of your banana mixture and give it a stir. Repeat the same thing with the remaining cassava and banana and stir it gently until well incorporated. Once it's done, your mixture is going to be a little bit soft. Add 1.5 teaspoons of salt and half cup gari to make it a little bit harder. Gari is equally made from cassava, so it doesn't really affect the texture or the taste in any way. The gari in this recipe helps us to be able to form round balls without the paste necessarily sticking on our hands. And also, you could dip your hands into some water and take a little bit at a time and shape them into round balls. I love the round shape because it's very presentable if you have to use it in an event, but you could shape them anyhow you like it, it's still fine. So we're gonna go ahead and then we'll be back. So fam, there we go, we made 2 different shapes. So now we're going to go ahead and fry them. To be able to fry our Accra, we're going to be using a deep frying method. Make sure your oil is enough. Go ahead and just take a ball at a time and put in the oil. And do not stir immediately, because if you do, it's going to scatter your round balls. So just allow it for like 5 to 10 minutes. Then you could start stirring it. Let it fry for about 25 minutes until you get this darkish brown color, and make use of a strainer to drain out the excess oil. So fam, our Accra is ready. Go ahead and give yourself a treat with some little bit of chili sauce, a little bit of hot pepper. Thank you so much, family, for being with me throughout this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and drop a comment below. Take care. I'll see you next week. God bless you. Bye.